Microsoft Excel is a useful program for taking notes. Microsoft Excel helps you organize data in grids called worksheets. A worksheet is made up of cells. In each cell, you can type information. Cells are organized into columns and rows. Columns are lines of cells going up and down. Columns are labeled with letters. Rows are lines of cells going left to right. Rows are labeled with numbers. Typing information into cells is a great way to take notes as you collect new information. Let's look at an example. Mona is looking for new winter boots for her son. She lives in Wisconsin and winter is very cold. She needs boots that are waterproof, have a temperature rating below 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and cost less than $80. As Mona is looking at boots online, she uses a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet to take notes. In the top row, Mona types the different things she needs in a winter boot. In the left column, she types the different boots she finds online. Then, in the appropriate cells, she types information about the boots she is comparing.